Lotshona umthakazo omuhle silamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba ngomsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio namhla kungoLwesibili zilishumi lambili kuNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2025 indaba lizethulelwa ngikhethiwe Chuma. Kwesihamba phambili namhlanje usuku lokunanza abavikelayo luletha inkumbulo ezibuhlungu ezenzekala ngoNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2018 lapho ibutho labulala abantu kusho isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo. Umthungameli wabasha ukhuluma ngamaphupha alahlekayo lokuswelakala komsebenzi kweleZimbabwe. Sekwedlule inyanga ezili-17 lokho kungakaboshwa muntu ngokushushumbiswa kwegolide. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo uStephen Sarkozy Chuma uthi usuku lokunanza amabutho okuvikela luletha inkumbulo ezizwisa ubuhlungu ngemva kokuba ibutho ladubula abantu mhlazinye kuNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2018 okwashiya abantu abayisithupha befile. UChuma uye watshela umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio ukuba ilizwe lidinga amabutho azavikela ngendlela eqotho hayi le ebandlululayo. Ake sizwe nokaChuma ekhuluma.
Yes, today is a national holiday for the Defense Force of Zimbabwe, but the day brings with it sad memories of how 6 innocent civilians were shot dead by the military on the streets of Harare on 1 August 2018. In a normal country, in a normal society, the military are expected to defend the people, the military are expected to protect citizens. But this is not what is obtaining in Zimbabwe, as we witnessed in 2018 under the command of Emmerson Mnangagwa as the commander of the Defense Forces of Zimbabwe. The presidential guard was unleashed on innocent and armed civilians in the streets of Harare, which left a blood trail. This is not what we want as citizens. This is not a defense force that we want as citizens. We want a defense service, not a defense force. A defense service protects its citizens. A defense service make sure that the interests of the people are put first. A defense service is professional and non-partisan, and this is what we call from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, not to be reduced to ZANU-PF thugs that maim and kill innocent civilians.
Namhlanje kugujwa usuku lwabantu abasha umhlaba wonke jikelele. Siye saxoxisana lothungamela abasha kubandla eliphikisayo uKelvin Tinaro lo osanda kulahlelwa amacala enkantolo lapho abesetheswa amacala okuzama ukuketula uEmmerson Mnangagwa embusweni. UTinaro uye watshela umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio ukuba amaphupho lalokhu okufiswa ngabantu abasha kweleZimbabwe kuphahlazekile ngaphansi kahulumende webandla leZANU-PF njengoba abanengi belokhu bephila phakathi kodubo lokuswelakala kwemisebenzi kanye lokungahlanganeli ezintweni ezenza izinqumo zelizwe. Ake sizweni uTinaro ekhuluma.
Ndinokutendai mutoro wenhau hongu ndini Kelvin Tinaro Masvingo Youth Task Force Leader ndakabatana ne-One Voice Youth Zimbabwe. Nhasi tiri kupemberera zuva revechidiki International Youth Day apo patiri kutarisa kuremekedzwa kodzero dzevechidiki kana kuti kuremekedzwa kwevechidiki pasi rose. Asi muno muZimbabwe tiri kuona kuti kodzero dzedu dzevechidiki dziri kumbunyikidzwa, kodzero dzedu hadzisi kuremekedzwa, hatisi kuonekwa sevanhu muno munyika yeZimbabwe. Nenhau yekuti ukanotarisa takutotanga nepama-elections. Election constitution irikutaura kuti tinofana president kuti uve president you must have 40 years and above, but vari kuuya kwatiri vouya vachiti tivhoterei, tovhotera munhu ane 80 years. Why musiri kuda kuti muyouth ane 18 kana kuti muyouth ane 20 years akonteste kuita president? Izvozvo zvega zvinotobuditsa pachena kuti hatisi kuremekedzwa, hatisi kutorwa sevanhu muno munyika. Asi muchitida pamunenge muchida kutishandisa kuti mimi mupinde mupawa, mapinda mupawa moita umbimbi ndoga, motanga kutoita zvigananda pamberi zvoba mari yenyika. Isu vana venyika yacho mayouth tichitambura nyika haina mabasa kutaura kuno. Vamunangagwa vakapromisa vechidiki 2 million jobs 2018. Up to now hatina basa ratati taona ravhurirwa vechidiki kunze kwekutoti maindastries aishanda ari kutovhara nenyaya yekuti nyika iri kulutwa, maresources ari kubuda achienda kune dzimwe nyika. Izvo zvaakuita kuti vechidiki vazhinji vatore zvinodhaka vapute, vechidiki vazhinji vaite mabasa akaipa akaita seekuba nezvimwe zvakasiyana siyana nenyaya yekuti hakuna mabasa. Ndiri kupedza kugraduata, ndiri kubva kuuniversity, but ndiri kuita 30 years ndisati ndawana basa, kana kutotadza kutopinda basa ndiri kuenda mustreet kunoita venda, asi ndine degree randakasiya ndaturika, rinosvika pakurumwa nemakonzo rigopera ndakangoturika degree pamadziro, kusina nyika isina mabasa. Izvo zvaakukonzera zvokuti vazhinji vabude kune dzimwe nyika, vanozama kunotsvakawo kune dzimwe nyika. Saka tiri kuti hurumende ngaitrai kugadzirisa iremekedze kodzero dzevechidiki, itionewo sevanhu, kwete kuti ivo vega ndo vari kuzviti tisu takarwa hondo, saka imimi vechidiki hamuna chamunotiudza. Nyika yedu haitorina democracy, nyika yedu haitorina freedom of expression. Mukatarisa ndakasungwa muna April after ndanzi ndakurudzira demonstration kana kuti ndaronga demo iyo yainzi ine chekuita nageza, yataitaura kuti we are saying no to vision 2030, nekuti vamunangagwa havana chavari kuita chinobatika chekuti tingava indosa kuti vasvike 2030. Ipapo ndo patiri kurambirana napo, hatisati taguma nenhau iyoyo, chiri kuramba tichidzoka nayo futi. Tine zvimwe zvatichatoita because munangagwa hatisi kuda kuti asvike 2030. We need new leaders, we need new young leaders. President Advocate Nelson Chamisa ndo vachatungamirira zvichagutsa ruzhinji, ndo vachaunza mabasa munyika, ndo vachaunza shanduko. Zvimwe zvese zviri kuitwa nezvigananda muri kurova pasi manje. Remekedzai kodzero dzevechidiki, remekedzai vechidiki. Nyika ndeyedu tese, hapana nyika inoopareta isina mayouth. I thank you.
Sekwedlule inyanga ezingaphezu kwe-17 selokhu kwethulwa udaba ngophenyo olwaveza ukushushumbisa kwegolide ngumsakazo we-Al Jazeera. Inkulumo le yayiveza abantu ababehlanganiselwa kubandla leZanu-PF kanye lomthungameli walo Emmerson Mnangagwa, labo kwakubikwa babesusa izinkulungwane zamadola eMelika kanye legolide bekusa ngaphandle kwelizwe ngokungekho emthethweni, besephula njalo imithetho yezengcebo. Owayelilunga letale lephalamende kanti njalo isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo umhlonishwa u-Eric Gono uye watshela umsakazo we-Citizens Movement ukuba ukuvilapha kukahulumende ukuba aphenyisise ngalolu daba kuveza khona ukuba uMnangagwa iloba imuli yakhe babandakanyeka kulesi sigameko. Ake sizweni okaGono ekhuluma.
Iminyaka siyakwana phose emibili emva kokuphuma kwedocumentary ye-Gold Mafia. Idocumentary ye-Gold Mafia yayichaza kabanzi indlela ilizwe leZimbabwe elitshontshelwa ngayo igolide lenye inotho kusetshenziswa ngaba izihlobo zikahulumende, abangani bakhe, kumbe iziqatshwa zakhe, esetshenziswa ukutshontshela ilizwe. Emva kwe-2 years into leyi iyaziswe umphakathi, asikezwa noma oyedwa osebotshiwe ngalindaba, asikezwa noma oyedwa osemiswe phambi komthethwandaba ngalindaba, kumbe yona igovernment ukuthi iphume ichaza kumbe iyala ukuthi into enjiso iyenzakala. Lokhu kubonisa ukuthi abalandaba abalaleli, ngaze kuthiwa nikibo as long umphakathi uhlupheka bona betshontsha bezinothisa okuningi abakudingi. Yikho iZimbabwe ingabe lokho ikhokhelwa igovernment enje, umphakathi uzahlupheka, abalutshwana besidla mnandi bevutha inotho yelizwe befake ezikhwameni zabo, umphakathi uhlupheka.
Okhangela ngogatsha lokunakekelwa kwabantu kubandla eliphikisayo, umama uSeneta uBongai Thome usekhuthaze izakhamizi ukuba zingakhathali ngokufuna impendulo kuhulumende. Ekhuluma lomsakazo weCitizens Movement Radio, umama uThome ukhuthaze izakhamizi ukuba ziqhubekele phambili zilwela utshintsho. Uye wakhuthaza njalo izakhamizi ukuba zisekele umongameli uChamisa onguye ozaletha utshintsho lwangempela oluza kuguqula lezi mpilo zabo. Uhulumende ka-Emmerson Mnangagwa usesolwe kakhulu ngokunyathelela lawo malungelo alwelwa ngabantu ngesikhathi kulwelwa inkululeko. Kunkulumo yabo abayithule kunanzwa usuku lwamaqhawe alwela inkululeko, inhlanganiso ye-Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, ATUZ, isolwe kakhulu uhulumende ngokuncindezela amalungelo abantu kanye lokwenza kube licala ukuba babhikishe beveza izifiso zabo. Inhlanganiso le iye yaveza amatitshala njengamaqhawe akulezi insuku alwela ukuba kube lohlonzi kwezemfundo iloba behola imali engatsho lutho. Inkantolo ephezulu yaseHarare isinikeze induna uSeke ogama lakhe lokuzalwa enguStanley Chimanekire insuku eziyisi-7 zokuba esule inkulumo yakhe lapho abesethula khona emhlanganweni esenza ngenkulumo zebandla leZANU-PF. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuba omunye wezakhamizi uEsther Bongai Zimuthi eye wamdonsela enkantolo ngodaba lokuba ubesekela uEmmerson Mnangagwa lephupho lakhe lika 2013. Isiphathamandla kanti njalo elilunga ledale lephalamende umhlonitshwa uKhopane Matsivanyika oye wasamukela isinqumo senkantolo lapho athe izinduna kakumelanga zithathe uhlangothi njengoba bethungamela abantu abavela kungatsha lamabandla ezepolitiki ezishiyeneyo. Ake sizweni umhlonitshwa uMatsivanyika ekhuluma.
Our current constitution, the Constitution of Zimbabwe, to be precise, Section 281, subsection 2, it is very clear that traditional leaders must not be members of any political party or must not in any way participate in partisan politics. Secondly, the same provision of the Constitution says that the traditional leaders must not participate in an exit or act in a partisan manner. On the same clause, traditional leaders are not allowed to further the interests of any political party or political cause. Over and above that, traditional leaders must not violate the fundamental rights and freedoms of any person. So if you look, traditional leaders play a very vital role in our society, one of which is to ensure that they preside over family disputes or a dispute among citizens in their area of jurisdictions. So they must actually operate in a way which is legal, and they must demonstrate the highest standards of due diligence and respect of the Constitution. So I fully welcome the decision or the ruling made by the High Court to the effect that Justice Chief Seke must retract his ZANU-PF slogans which he chanted at a traditional leaders' court. So Chief Seke was taken to court by a villager who felt aggrieved by his chanting of ZANU-PF slogans because the villager was aware that it actually violated the constitutional provisions of our land. So I would like to applaud as well Esther Bongai Zimuthi, woman for her courage, for standing up to what is right, to ensure that the traditional does not abuse authority. It's not easy for an ordinary villager to take a chief to court, and this speaks volumes about the level of discontent, about the level of how people feel when their rights are being trampled under the guise of tradition. So you will find that these are the same kind of chiefs who perpetuate voter intimidation, who perpetuate coercion, who perpetuate voter rigging in elections, during elections, especially in rural areas where they got a considerable influence. So I would like to confirm that the ruling is a welcome development, because we cannot build a democratic society where citizens are forced to align with certain political ideologies simply because their chief has done so. So this kind of conduct is a direct violation of Section 281 of our national constitution. Above all, the ruling is not a punishment to the chief. It is a genuine correction. It is a reminder that traditional leadership must transcend politics. We expect other chiefs to take note and reflect of their conduct going forward, to ensure that they do not dip their hands into the political cookie jar.
Kubhubhe abantu abayisikhombisa kukhefu lokunanza labo ababelwela inkululeko kuzehlakalo ezimbili zomgwaqo, lokho kwethulwe ngamapholisa. Kwenye ingozi eyenzakale emgwaqweni waseMutare leMasvingo kubhubhe abantu abayisithupha, kwathi amalunga ebandla le-ZCC abali-16 labo balimala. Kwenye ingozi yomgwaqo njalo eyenzakale kwelewange edlulelo mphefumulo womuntu oyedwa kwalimala abantu abangama-20. Imigwaqo eminingi elizweni ayikho esimeni esihle ngenxa yokwehluleka kwebandla le-ZANU-PF lohulumende walo. Uhulumende ka-Emmerson Mnangagwa usebhekane lokuchothozwa kakhulu okuvela kuzakhamizi ngemva kwempikitsha ebibhoda emakhasini okuxhumana eveza indawo ebezingekhiwanga ngendlela eqondileyo lapho kubekwe khona amaqhawe ilizwe lonke jikelele. Ezinye izakhamizi zisolwe umbuso ka-Emmerson Mnangagwa ngokungahloniphi labo ababelwela inkululeko, kanti njalo abanye bebecabanga ukuba mhlawumbe leyo mali yathathwa yasetshenziswa kokunye kulokuba kulungiswe lapho kulele khona amaqhawe. Ngesikhangele kwezemidlalo, emidlalweni ye-CHAN edlalwe izolo, ilizwe laseGhana linqobe iNiger 2-0 ukuze lithole imiklomelo, kwathi ilizwe lase-South Africa lona lanqoba eleGuinea 2-1. Namhlanje iSenegal iza kudlala leCongo, iNigeria yona iza kubhekana leSudan. Ababambi besicoco se-FA Cup iCrystal Palace abazukudlala kulisizini e-UEFA Europa League ngemva kokuba inkantolo eyaziwa ngokuthi Arbitration in Sports i-CAS iye yabamba isinqumo esenziwa yi-UEFA sokubavimba ukuba badlale kule imidlalo. IPalace yehliswa ukuba idlale ku-UEFA kanti iza kudlala ku-Conference League. Ongumnini weqembu lePalace uJohn Textor kanti njalo elengxenye kuqembu le-Olympic Lyon elase-France watholakala elecala lokuba wephule imithetho ye-UEFA ngokuba abelamaqembu amabili. INottingham Forest yiyo esiza kudlala emidlalweni ye-Europa League. Ukuziphetha lezi indaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio nanze bezihamba phambili. Usuku lokunanza labo abavikelayo luletha inkumbulo ezingenhle ngemva kokubulawa kwabantu mhlazinye kuNcwabakazi ngomnyaka ka-2018, kusho isiphathamandla sebandla eliphikisayo. Umthungameli wabasha kubandla eliphikisayo ukhuluma ngokulahlekelwa kwamaphupho kanye lokuswelakala komsebenzi kweleZimbabwe. Sewedlule inyanga ezili-17 kungakaboshwa muntu ngenxa yokushushumbisa kwegolide. Siziphetha lapha lezi indaba.